Welcome to the pilot episode of Doctor Who Locations Guide number 0, An Unearthly Child. Now, as you probably might know, it was all filmed in Lumbo Studios, but there was one scene which was filmed out on location at the top of St. Paul's Cathedral, and that is our destination in the ship.
Bear in mind the cathedral, built in 1697 and sits a little away from Westminster in central London, has an entry fee of £18 per person as of 2022. To get to the top of the cathedral, for the viewpoint, is 528 steps, which also includes a very steep spiral staircase to get from the Stone Gallery up to the Golden Gallery. This trip took a lot out of me to walk up there, so good luck. The only location was on the top of St Paul's Cathedral. This is on the Golden Gallery, looking down at Watling Street.